everyone, welcome back to Medical Coding Club. This is Chandrika. So this video is for newly certified medical coders, and if you want to know how to take free AI medical coding course which is offered by AAPC, okay, not any other organization, AAPC, okay, from AAPC also you can get free AI medical coding course, and also upon completing the course module you can get course completion certificate from AAPC. Okay, so most of you will not be aware how to take this or how to utilize this opportunity. So for that reason I have created PDF also step by step, and also I am going to explain through what is your first step, what and all you have to do, and how to access the blackboard. Everything in detail I have explained. So please do watch video till end, and please do share with your newly certified medical coding friends as well, and please do subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, this session is specially for newly certified CPC coder, or you must be AAPC member to get this free AI in medical coding and billing course for free. Okay, so let's begin. What are the steps that you should follow to get this course for free and to complete this course and to get the course completion certificate? Okay, so as I said, if you are newly certified, so please do watch video till end and utilize this opportunity. So many of you may not know this, okay, but what is the important thing here is you don't need to be a AI expert, okay, you don't need to be, or you don't need to become an AI expert. Just you need to understand the basic steps and the workflow. Okay, why? Because this will be very useful. What happens in medical coding field, many of our medical coding softwares are already using AI based tools. Okay, AI integration is there. So what for all the repetitive tasks, it can be easily automated so that coders can actually focus on the accuracy. Okay, so that's why now AI medical coding, like we say AI medical coding, so you should also be aware of all the AI parameters. Okay, for that reason this course will help you. It will help you understand all other technical skills we may not aware, since we are from life science background. So you can get to see some other field information, okay, which is also required for us. So firstly, what you have to do, since you already have the AAPC app with you, so for better use, you can just log in on web, okay, AAPC website. So first you can just type AI in medical coding and billing course for free. Okay, you can type that in your Google, and from AAPC there will be this particular training link will open. Okay, so and if you see, the first thing that you will see is enroll now. Okay, enroll now, enrollment for free for members, $350 for non-members. Since you already have the AAPC membership, you will have the free course. Okay, so click on enroll now. After this you will lead to directly to the cart. Okay, so you need to place the order. So if you observe the charges here, everything is in zero. Okay, so they are not charging anything. So click on place order. Once you place this order, then it will take some 1 minute. Then go back and check your profile. Under your profile, okay, under your profile, come to course and exam. In this drop down, click on course and exams. So here it will show what are the course that you have purchased from AAPC, that will reflect here. Okay, so if you click on course and exam, it will direct you to particular course that you have purchased. Okay, so now if you see here, AI in medical billing and coding. Okay, so again you have to click on this particular course, then it will direct you to AAPC AI medical coding and billing for this blackboard course. Okay, this is an LMS platform that AAPC use. So here you need to click on login. Okay, so if you click on login, it will take you to the AAPC blackboard LMS site. So here you will have the, see, so here you directly it will locks you in, and you can see here there is a AAPC MCB 2024 for free. Like now it is already updated, but they have launched this free course in 2024 only. Okay, I have also made video in 2024, but I did not explain everything like this, since many of the CPC certified students have asked me, and also today I took session for my students. Most of them, they were also not aware. Okay, for to help them understand, I am creating this video, so I will also be sharing on YouTube. Okay, so now after clicking on this course, the modules will open. Okay, so next site will be this one. So you can just see here, there are modules. So there are 8 modules are there, and so there is no time limit. 1 year course duration will be there. So up to 1 year you can access this course, and you can watch all the module. Like there will be lectures, you can watch all module interactive lectures, and with each module there will be one assessment. Okay, simple assessment will be there. You can take Google or ChatGPT help to answer your question. Just understand the workflow. After completing all the 8 modules and 8 module assessment, you will have the final assessment. Okay, so then you have to click on final assessment. It will be a 50 marks question. Okay, 50 marks question, I mean 50 question will be there, not 50 marks. 50 question will be there. Each question will be having 2 points. I mean, one question equals to 2 marks. Okay, so totally 100 marks exam, 50 questions. So there will be no time limit, no proctoring, nothing. Okay, so easily you can pass. So you can just see, after completing your final assessment, you can submit that assessment. So the result will immediately you can view the result also. So if you see my result, it was 96 for hundreds. Okay, for 100 it was 96. So after that, you need to do this particular step to get your course completion certificate. Okay, so you can check here, to access your course completion certificate, log on to AAPC website, and once logged in, click on my AAPC and student overview, and click on completed. And like this, for particular protocol you have to follow, it is easy only. And after that, once you click on completed format, you will receive a course completion certificate. Okay, so where you need to access this means, it will direct you to this particular site. Okay, so if you see student and overview, so if you click on overview after taking the course, if after completing your assessment, if you come and click on here in overview, it will show course is in progress or course is completed. Okay, if it shows if you have completed all modules and if you have taken all the assessment of respect to modules and also passed the complete final assessment, means the course status will show it as completed. So click on completed status, and it will direct you to course completion certificate. You can either print it or you can just download the soft copy. I mean, you can take a screenshot or something. Okay, so that's it. So you can get to learn a lot regarding AI medical coding, like mainly artificial intelligence and how you can implement in your daily life. All those things they have explained. So it is useful for you. And also, as I said, upon completing this course, automatically the allocated CEU points will add to your CEU tracker. Okay, it is like 4 CEU points are there. Easily you will get the 4 CEU point, and it is directly credited to your account also. Okay, so yes, this is about how to take your AI medical coding course for free. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood. And if you need this PDF guide, and I also added further informations like, say, you how to maintain your credential and how to remove apparencies from your CPC credential. All those information additionally I've added, and whatever the question I got also I added. Okay, with answer and questions. okay, for with respect to this AI medical coding course. Okay, so I will be adding this link to my Instagram. So what you have to do, you can come to on, like, you can follow me on Instagram mainly, and I will upload this as reel. So you can just share the reel to my inbox or my text, I mean the direct message. So automatically you will get one link. Okay, so in that link I will add this PDF. You can download this. Okay, you can keep it for your later reference. And yeah, that is all. And also, if you, any one of you are not certified yet, and if you are looking for proper CPC exam preparation, my new batch is going to start from January 16th. Please text me on WhatsApp, okay, so that I can share you the course details. Okay, so yes, that's all for today. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for all your support. Please do subscribe to my channel.